When we talk about salvage, we're usually talking about individual piece parts because we've disassembled it all the way down to individual parts. From those individual parts, we then build that product back up, including new content of the wear items and ultimately paint. The salvage process includes things like threaded holes, damage to surfaces, refacing, thermal spray, welding, threaded inserts, sleeves.
Components that go to machining, arc blocks, cranks, cams, heads. These are critical that they're machined correctly as a Reman product.
Cat Reman uses many cutting-edge metal deposition technologies, including laser cladding, high-pressure cold spray, bore spray, and several others. And the reason Caterpillar is cutting edge in these spaces is because we custom develop process control and capabilities that are tailored to specific applications.
In the engine, I find the cracks in the component, and we try to salvage the best way we can. We can mag it, we can use Dicom. It runs down to see how far the crack goes down and if it can seal or not. If it can't seal, then we scrap it. If we can salvage it, then we salvage that part.
The block department is where the blocks are sprayed, wire arc spray, built up, then recut, so the blocks are usable.
It's very intriguing to see the cutting-edge technology. Years ago, everything was welded with sticks, and maybe we had a wire welder. Now you're looking at laser cladding with robotics. What it allows us to do is build up surfaces that have otherwise worn down, and by using a laser, we can precisely figure the amount of material we want to put on there.
Our claim to fame in the Reman world is we can go anywhere from aluminum bronze all the way to tungsten carbide. And those hardened materials cause our product to last longer.
In order to continue advancing the Reman benefits, we need to continue pushing the limits, advancing technologies on what we can repair cost effectively with quality.
With this new technology, we're able to produce our parts in a more timely manner. I mean, it's a winning combination for everybody.